Ask one of our professors how to survive midterms. What's the best way to study for midterms? Each student needs to find the study techniques that work best for them. That said, the following strategies are revealed by one of KMV Consulting's PhD holder college professors. 1. Start early. Most students wait too long to start studying for midterms and find themselves cramming a day or so before the test. By starting early, you can avoid running out of time. In fact, students can start preparing for midterms as early as the first day of class. Review the syllabus closely, checking whether the class has a midterm exam, a midterm essay, or multiple midterms. Next, see what the syllabus says about the format and weight of the midterms. Midterms might make up 20% of your final grade in some classes, but 30 to 40% in others. 2. Take notes. Midterm exams test your understanding of course material. If you don't take notes during class, you'll find yourself scrambling for study material as midterms draw near. Taking good notes represents a key part of studying for midterms. And that counts for lectures, discussions, and class readings. Think of note-taking as building a bank of study material. 3. Ask questions. Every professor wants something different on midterms. Some may ask for an in-class or take-home essay. Others may use short answers, fill-in-the-blank questions, or multiple-choice formats. And some might require you to analyze case studies, solve equations while showing your work, or use evidence in a persuasive argument. 4. Form a study group. For some, studying with a group of classmates pays off. Study groups can help students break down complex concepts and divide up review materials. Research shows that explaining concepts to other study group members can improve learning. Once you've formed a study group for your midterm, consider meeting even after the test. The same strategies that help students on midterms work well for final exams, too. 5. Prioritize rest and mental health. Many students find exams stressful, and test anxiety can make it difficult to perform well on midterms. By taking care of their mental and physical health, students can improve their grades. Take sleep, for example. Cramming for midterm exams the night before can backfire. Students who get consistent sleep perform better on exams. Busy and a lot of things happening? Let us help you out. Connect with KMV Consulting to achieve more.